My dreams in trembling hands, but they scattered like grains of sand. The harder I gripped, the faster they flew, leaving me here with skies turned blue. It's not the end, it's a brand new start. The wind tears down but rebuilds the heart. It writes a song on the strings of